worse.
So where was the black?
Oh, the dude's peeking us from inside that house, though. He knows where we're at for sure.
Oh, okay, it's not. This black's coming up here, babe. I don't have a nade. They're at these houses.
Nice. Healing. Just be careful of those dudes west trying to push to take advantage of this.
Really want that nade.
Footsteps. Right here on me. Knocked one.
Got his mate.
Got him. Nice. Of course, there's a plane going overhead. I wouldn't do that. AR suppressor and a 4 times on this guy.
I got a 4. Oh, he's got a car?
I did not see that. I was scrolling really quick.
Oh, he's got a DMR.
I've got no
Oh.
nades.
Wow, okay. This guy. You've got what? No nades?
None.
I can drop you. And I never dropped the... Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the mutant, especially with the 4 times. But Car 98 suppressor, 8 times cheek pad, yeah, I'll drop it. Really need to watch our backs.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Oh, there's a drop right fucking next to us, babe.
Fucking serious? Where?
The smoke just disappeared on it. 125.
Serious? Is that what the... Is that what they want?
Circling for.
These guys for fucking real, man.
Back one. Oh. Shit.
I really want to go and check them for nades, because that was my last nade.
Yeah.
What's in it?
There's a
Duck?
15 times scope.
Yeah, yuck. No thanks. I'll be
And an
dropping
odd.
this 8 times
Yeah.
soon enough. Alright, I'm gonna do the stupid and go and look for nades.
Ready. You know what you find.
2 times. Wow. They really didn't have much at all. They just got guns and stuff. Like a health kit and shit.
We've been driving around in that fucking buggy long enough.
Yeah.
Oh, those shots are pretty close. I think they're just down that hill, down the ridgeline.
I did not get a nade, by the way, so your only nade is our only nade.
Oh, I could drop it back.
No, just so you know.
I didn't realize
be
that was your
careful
only
with
one.
it. No, I had 2. I used the nade for that dude.
That makes me so nervous. Oh, that's right, yeah. Do we want to just push circular, or do we want to deal with these guys?
Is that a dude?
Where?
I don't know this.
Where from?
I don't know. Behind the tree at 200.
They're pushing up, babe. The guys that were near us, pushing up.
Knocked one.
Don't go near him, I got a nade on him.
The other one's right by me.
He's weak, coming around. Got him.
Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, boosting. 10 seconds. I'm gonna fully boost.
Yep. I'm changing my 8 for my 6 times as well.
Does this cunt have a fucking nade for me? Ah!
Oh, that's... Oh shit, I should have checked his buddy. Man, I wish this ridge was in.
Once we come down. Oh, we're fucked once we come down. Is this in? Oh my god, we're so screwed. We're gonna have to move in. 4 alive? There's only 2 others. Ah, where the... I don't know where that's coming from. You know where that's coming from? I got no idea where that's coming from.
Sure do.
Oh my god, where's his buddy? Number, babe?
He was instant. He was instant.
Oh, really?
The guy's 160 though. At the tree, 160.
What, just
Far
down
tree
from
right on
us?
the edge of circle. Far. It's peeking me.
Got him, headshot.
Nice
wrecked.
fucking shot.